In primetime news this evening, guilty. Jury convicts Gregory Roberts for 2017 murder of 15-year-old Shanika Gray.
Court hears more damning phone recordings in trial of Everton Beachy Stout MacDonald for wife's murder.
And another suspect charged in the murder of Tashina Patterson and her 10-month-old daughter. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, I'll have the latest gas prices and we'll also be talking about a blue and green financing project. I'll give you a little bit more about what the finance minister said about a fund that could help to spur growth in this area.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Jermaine. He'll tell us what's coming up in primetime sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, at least one West Indies team is winning. The under-19s, they got their first win at the ICC World Cup, and they say track and field could be in trouble in the West. We'll tell you how a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your expectations for the Bob Marley One Love movie?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.